What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Jordan, back at it again with another video today. And today I'm gonna be giving you a mini tutorial on how I do my individual crochet faux locks, because the one in the front was acting up just now, and I'm just like, this is a perfect opportunity to just do a quick tutorial on exactly how I install them. So if you want a more detailed tutorial, comment down below. If not, just let that be that. Like this video. And I'm hella shiny because I just did my skincare routine. It's currently like 1 something in the morning and it's New Year, so happy New Year. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this because I'm very lazy, and I have like 4 other videos backed up that I need to finish editing. That was the wind. Let's get right on into it. Please excuse my sloppiness. I have acrylics on, and I have not had acrylics in literally, I want to say, a year at least, and they're long, and I'm not used to having my claws and talon fingers anymore. So please bear with me. So step 1, you're gonna need your crochet needle. You're gonna take your crochet needle and take your chosen piece of hair, and you're gonna push it through the base. I try to go through the middle and keep it on the scalp. It doesn't always work out that way though. Then you're gonna need your hair and the little loop at the top, which is very hard to see because this one is tight. You're gonna take that and stick it through the top of the needle, like so. You're gonna close your latch hook and you're gonna pull it through. God, this is sloppy, I'm sorry guys. So, again, bear with me. I got these nails on and I don't know how to function anymore. So once you have found your crochet loop, you want to expand it so you can take your hair and the fake crochet hair. Take it and pull it through that loop that you just expanded. Then you're gonna take your hair and the fake hair and pull it tight so you can try to get rid of that knot that tends to happen at the root. So now that you're in there like swimwear, okay, you're gonna take the crochet hair and ravel it in the opposite direction that it's raveled already. So basically you're creating an opening for your hair to be tucked into. And all you're gonna do is wrap it. You're gonna wrap the crochet hair around your real braid, or bristle as some people like to call it, because I definitely braided at the root and twisted down. Just trying to make sure that you guys can see it. I'm unraveling it a little bit so you have this space that you can take the hair and wrap it around your natural hair.
This is so hard to do with nails. How do y'all do this? I can't.
I really should have filmed this when I did not have these on, because I look like I don't know what I'm doing. I promise you guys, I've become a pro at this, but I don't know how to function with acrylics anymore. And boom, you're tucked and all good to go, as if nothing even happened. All right guys, so that was your tutorial. I hope that it actually made sense, and I hope that it actually helped. I'm not about to go through my entire head and fix it because they're faux locks. They're not supposed to be perfect. And these still look really cute considering that I've had them in for I think about 2 weeks now. But yeah, that's that on that. And I'm gonna talk to you guys in the next video. If you found this tutorial helpful and you liked it, give me a big fat thumbs up. If you enjoy my content and you want to see more of me, then subscribe to my channel and make sure that you click that notification bell and you know exactly when I post, because I try to post on Saturdays, but it does not always happen that way. So please bear with me as I get my life together and continue to work a full-time job while being in school. So all right, I'm done rambling. Happy New Year to you all, and to you all, good night. Again, like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and share this with your friends. All right, deuce.